you know, falling asleep and going, you know, it's like that. Cute, but stupid. And we want everybody to do the class sound. It goes like, what's your turn?
Yeah, you have to do that.
Come on. Yeah, go like.
Sounds a bit like meow meow.
Yeah, okay, let's do Lars. When Lars falls asleep, it's something like. Come on. Come on.
Look at them, how shy they are.
Yes. I mean, we dance like we're stupid, now we have to make sounds like we're stupid, okay? Okay, let's go. Thomas, for example, always just drums in mind. He always dreams about drums. Going on. What are you doing there?
It's just catching the microphone, you know.
It's cable from the cable.
Yeah, alright.
Okay, talking about you falling asleep.
I don't know. Because when I'm falling asleep, I'm not listening to
Yeah,
me.
but I do. Okay, Sam is like this.